all right, I didn't land that one, but I totally landed the next one. I just didn't get it on camera, so whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Stop asking about it. Hey everybody, welcome back. I know a little while ago I had posted on my channel a snowboarding video at Sasquatch Mountain Resort, which is out in the Fraser Valley here in BC. This time around, we actually rented a condo at Sasquatch and we ended up staying one night, 2 days. We did 2 days of snowboarding. We had been wanting to do this, me and a few guys, for a while. It was supposed to be 3 of us going up, my friend Sean and Davis, but Sean unfortunately literally the day of got food poisoning at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So Sean, if you're watching this, we're sorry. We love you. We wish you were there, but we are gonna do it again next year. So all good. So as usual, we got to get up really early when we're driving out there. It's usually about an hour and a half, hour 45-minute drive from home. And then of course, as always, there's stops along the way, but I always love doing the drive out there. I don't care how long the drive takes because it is so beautiful out there. You're driving out in the countryside, you're driving through areas of forest, you're driving through farm fields, you're driving through the mountains. I always love Sasquatch Mountain, and it's always really nostalgic driving up there and just being there because that's where I learned to snowboard. It's just one of those places I have so many good memories associated with, and it's gonna be a place I go for the rest of my life. So it was exciting to get up early nonetheless. So before we knew it, we were in the parking lot and check-in wasn't until I think about 3 or 4 o'clock. So we decided why not go have a whole day of snowboarding first, and then at the end of our day, when we're done, we'll go check in and enjoy the night. They had a hot tub there, they had a games room there, they had all kinds of stuff. Now I was gonna give you guys a tour of the room, but I think I'll leave it up to Davis. He did a pretty good job.
Yo, welcome to the Cooked Coops MTV Cribs edition.
Cribs. Let's start.
Show you how we live in on the slopes here.
Let's just start with the bathroom.
You see, you got the marble. You got a little bit of yellow in the bowl still.
Oh,
yeah, we know it's fresh.
Yeah.
Perky clean, and you got the detail on the lamp.
Oh yeah.
I flew that in from Morocco.
Yeah.
Here are the skis. My grandmother actually carved these skis herself.
Yeah.
Out of saber tooth.
Oh my God.
And they used to ride this on their hunts back in the day in the old country.
Oh my God.
And now it's we mounted it like a dead deer.
Right. But before it was illegal to hunt woolly mammoth.
On your skis.
Yeah.
You can hunt them, but not on skis.
Yeah.
And then here, this is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
And we got towels folded neatly by the cleaning staff. They come every day.
Yeah.
It's no big deal. We got the Wizard of Oz board game there. We're gonna crack that open later. Get wild.
Get weird.
Yeah, get weird. Got the fold-out bed.
Yeah.
In case we got company.
Yeah.
Because you know how we do. We like to host big fat parties in the crib.
Let's go.
Let me show you the living room real quick. We got a view of the slopes.
Hey.
You got cigarette burns in the couch because we want you to feel at ease. We don't want you to feel like you can't burn our furniture, so we did it for you.
All right. It's the view of the mountains, baby. Woo!
It's a view of the mountains. Well, let me show you where the rest of the magic happens. And this is the kitchen. We got, again, the marble countertops. And yo, we got the meat, boy.
You got the meat, boy.
Yeah, you want steaks? We got steaks.
We got
bacon.
steaks. We got eggs.
With the
we got maple syrup, baby.
Yeah, we're gonna do some lettuce because we gotta get chicken beans. All right,
and we got
set up the DJ.
We also got the DJ equipment.
The DJ system.
1 and 2.
Fucking wild.
Getting wild. Now, although we had to stop snowboarding at about 3 or 4 that day, it didn't stop us from having a good time. We were cooking great food, we were having fun, we were hitting the hot tub, hitting the games room, and of course, we had to have a little bit of a DJ party that night. Davis brought up his decks and his speakers and his laptop, and we were having fun with that. I was starting to learn how to DJ for the very first time, which was pretty cool, but we had a blast. We had a little fire going, it was cozy in there, and we had a blast. Next morning, we got up, and we were the first ones to hit the lifts and get on the runs. first few runs are pretty good. It's been raining the last couple days, so the snow is a little bit wet, it's a little bit heavy, but it's pretty warm, so it's really soft right now. Taking a little pee break here, and we're back to it. Lately, the weather hasn't been super great up there. They didn't have a lot of new snow, so unfortunately it did rain all night, and then when the temperature dropped, the top layer of the snow freezes. So it's almost kind of like you have this really icy, crunchy top layer, and then as you break through it, it's like really heavy snow underneath. So the snow wasn't the greatest, but the rain did stop, which is amazing. So we were going all over the mountain. We obviously made sure to stop and take some much needed breaks and just take in the beautiful view there. Well, we're at the top of the green chair. I don't remember the name of the trail that took us over here, but it's actually the first time I've been over here, and whoo, man, what a view. Successful day.
Success.
Cheers. Woo. So overall, super fun trip. I would highly recommend this mountain. It is still a total underrated gem. There's a lot of people that don't know about it. And the other good thing is that there's a bunch of privately owned residences up there. So there's a ton of Airbnbs, and they're really affordable. They're really good prices for what you're getting. So whether you're going by yourself or with just one friend or a big group, it's a really good place to get an affordable Airbnb and get a couple good days of skiing or snowboarding in. So go check it out, Sasquatch Mountain. Highly recommend if you're in the area, and we'll see you in the next one.